If you ever wondered what lies behind these walls in Brooklands Park and the private gated Cator Estate in Blackheath in London, I have got a lovely surprise in store for you. This one is spectacular. This is a T15 span house. These were designed by Eric Lyons in the 60s, who was a student of the Bauhaus movement. Designed with community in mind, and Cator Estate is all about community. Just the most fabulous, peaceful, quiet and convenient location to live in Blackheath, and almost certainly in southeast London as well. This is the private front garden, and it really is private. There's bike storage here. But let me show you around this wonderful house, which has been extended, so much larger than you would initially expect. Look at this space. This is solid ash floor. Just behind you, I think we'll cover that off now, is a snug study, fourth bedroom. And I say fourth bedroom because it works quite well as that, because there's a shower room just around the corner, which we'll show you in a second. So the house has been extended out from around here, so there is a lot of extra space, and it is just beautifully, beautifully done in 2017. Light is pouring in through these massive skylights, and there are patio doors from here and double aspect patio doors from the kitchen. And here is the kitchen. It is just beautiful. This is a slate or granite worktop, polished concrete floor with underfloor heating, Siemens appliances, induction hob. The garden is just lovely and a little bit bigger than usual, and we'll show you that at the end. Another very nice shot of the kitchen here, breakfast bar. What a fabulous, fabulous space. All the doors are bespoke. Apparently it took them 5 days to put them in, but the attention to detail here is just perfect. There's understairs storage, and I'll let you go through, Tony. There's a utility room there, which I guess you probably weren't expecting. Automatic lighting, and a fabulous shower room as well. Beautiful floor tiles, just everything works so well. And then upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, and again the finish mirrors the finish on the ground floor. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at this bedroom. This is Timorous Beastie's wallpaper, which is my favourite. I think that's the nicest wallpaper I've ever seen. And there are built-in wardrobes over there. Again, those are handmade doors, as are these. Just here, oh actually maybe as you come through you'll capture this landing. What a beautiful, beautiful light drenched space. And just through there is another really good sized bedroom. So I'm thinking you probably captured these cupboards, but we can capture them on the way out from this bedroom actually, because we'll have a look at this next, which is a great second bedroom. And again, if you go over into the far corner, you can just capture these wardrobes. Just really good size. What a lovely, lovely house. So the landing, again, we've covered the landing, but another view of it is lovely, but you get to see all these cupboards here. So storage is great. And the shower room, bathroom shower room. It's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And there's a garage with remote control doors as well. How about that? Literally just around the corner, but parking on the street directly outside the house is a piece of cake anyway. You're about a 10 minutes walk from Blackheath Village, and the station in Blackheath is 12 minutes to London Bridge, Charing Cross and Victoria, so super handy. Heath's at the end of the road. Sutcliffe Park's a great place for a walk with the dogs, which is just around the corner as well. Take you about 15 minutes to get there. Do a park run every Saturday, so see you there. And then out to the garden. Again, it is a little bit bigger than usual. There's a side entrance, patio, astro, low maintenance, perfect, just a beautiful, beautiful house. And you are genuinely going to have to be very quick off the mark on this one, so make sure you book your appointment as soon as you possibly can, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.